Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal's payout feature. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into your PayPal account. You can do that on the mobile app or you can do that on the website, and then just log into your PayPal with your login credentials. And once you're logged in, step 2 is to navigate to the payout section, and you can do that by clicking on tools or more and then select payouts. Next, you want to set up payout recipients, so just click on add recipients or create recipient list. Next, you want to enter recipients information, that's their name, email and phone number. You want to enter all that, and then add recipients bank account or debit card information if that's applicable. Next you want to do is to configure payout settings, so you can set payout currency and amount. You could also choose payout frequency, it could be one time or recurring. You could also select payment method, that could be PayPal balance or it could be a bank transfer. Next is to review and confirm payout, so you just want to review payout details and recipients information. Next, confirm payouts to ensure accuracy and security. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up PayPal's payout feature. Hope you guys liked the video, hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.